In this Blender tutorial, I will show you some topological important things. I'm going to add a plane like this, Control R, and add some loop cuts like this. Then I will select this face and then press P for the selection. Then these faces, press P for the selection. Then these three, press P for the selection. Then these four, and then Shift D to duplicate it, and then press P for the selection to make a different object. This one is here, and here I want 5 faces. These 5, press P for the selection, and we will delete this one. Okay, it's pretty simple. Give it name. This is 1:1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will select this. I will add 3 loop cuts to it. I will select this and I will add 3 loop cuts just to work with topology. Okay. I will add loop cut. Okay. Now this is 1:1, so we don't need to change it. We will hide that. Now here we need to convert this 2 to 1. How we can do this? Just isolate this one, and for that I will connect these words like this. Okay. Then I will dissolve this edge and I will dissolve this edge. Here is a chord which you can see, but here is a triangle. So simple thing, add one word at here with the Control R, and now it's a chord. You can select this edge and you can extrude them in this way. So you will get this kind of loop structure like this. Now we will work on this one. Let's isolate this, and here we need to convert this 3 to 1. How we can do this? It's also simple. Just connect these words like this, and then you can dissolve these edges in this way. And here you can see here are 3 faces and here is only 1 face. Okay, so this is how we can convert this. Then here we need to convert 4 to 1. How we can do this? So first I will convert it into 2. So for that, just select these words and connect them in this way, and then you can select these edges and dissolve them, and select these edges, Ctrl X to dissolve them. Now we have 2 faces, and the funda is very simple. Just select these words, or here you can select this word and then connect them, dissolve these edges, and just add one word at here, the Control R, and here you can see we will get this kind of loop structure. It's very simple, which you can see. Now here we want to convert this 5 into 1. This is also very simple. Just select these words and connect them in this way. First we will convert it into 3. You can dissolve these edges like this, and we got this 3. We got this inner loop structure, and similarly we will create little big loop structure in this way. Then you can dissolve these edges, and this is outer loop structure, this is inner loop structure, this is outer loop structure, and easily we have converted this to 1. So here is a 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1, 5:1. So easily we have created this. So you can use these topological techniques in your topology to improve your topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.